In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and set up NordVPN on your Samsung Smart TV, step by step. Before we start, if you don't already have a NordVPN subscription, use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and get full access to all its features. Now, depending on your Samsung Smart TV model, the process can be a little different. Some newer models let you download apps directly from the Samsung App Store, so you can install NordVPN without using any APK or external devices. Older models might need an APK file and a USB flash drive to manually install the app. For this tutorial, we're using a model that supports direct downloads. Start by opening the browser on your Samsung Smart TV and search for NordVPN. Click on the official NordVPN link. If you're new, you can sign up for a free trial or start a subscription. NordVPN is a paid service, but they offer a risk-free trial for 30 days. Once you've signed up, follow the on-screen instructions to install the NordVPN app directly on your TV. After installation, open the app, log in with your NordVPN account, and you're ready to connect. You can now choose your preferred server, select Quick Connect for the fastest server automatically, or manually pick a country or city you want to connect to. Once connected, your Samsung Smart TV traffic is fully protected, and you can access geo-restricted content safely. If your TV model doesn't support NordVPN directly, another option is to set it up through your router. Once the router is connected to NordVPN, every device on your Wi-Fi network, including your Samsung Smart TV, will automatically use the VPN without installing anything else. And that's it! You're all set to enjoy private, secure streaming on your Samsung Smart TV. Don't forget to check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.